Every day we are swarmed with hundreds of ads telling us what is good, what we should do, and how we should think. How much do we really know about the food we eat every day? We know what we like and what we don't, but do we know what foods and habits support an environmentally sustainable lifestyle? The majority of us are taught from a young age that meat, dairy, and other animal products are staples necessary for us to be healthy and normal, and we are not usually taught about alternative eating habits and lifestyles. For many of us, if we do not consciously plan every meal around the idea of sustainability, we often do not realize where our food comes from and how harmful some foods are to our environment. In this video, we will be discussing meat and its impact on the environment, as well as possible alternative steps everyone can take to support a healthier planet. We've been told that we need fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, and protein to maintain a healthy diet. Protein is a small portion of our diet that you can get from soy, eggs, beans, nuts, and meat. However, majority of us get protein from meat. In the past, people saw meat as a luxury, something wealthy people ate. In the 1960s, the average American ate around 90 pounds of meat per year, 3 times less than the average today. This large increase has caused the production of meat to become unsustainable. Some of the most unsustainable meats are lamb, beef, pork, and farm-raised fish. Let's take a look at why beef is unsustainable. Most people think that cows eat grass. However, cows at feedlots are fed corn and soybean meal. It takes 149 million acres of cropland, 167 million pounds of pesticides, and 17 billion pounds of fertilizer to grow the corn needed each year to feed the cows that we are going to consume. This does not include other corn products. Then, the corn must still be transported to the feedlots, where the cows are fed as much food as possible. Because cows are not biologically designed to digest corn, and the corn is grown with so many chemicals, their waste is not able to be used as a fertilizer. The waste is often dumped in local rivers, contaminating our waters. To put this into a better perspective, let's look at what it takes to produce a quarter pound of beef. It takes 6.7 pounds of grain, 52.2 gallons of water, 74.5 square feet of land, and 1,036 BTUs for production and transportation. Following Luxembourg, America is the largest consumer of meat, averaging 270 pounds of meat per person per year, coming to a total of 52.2 billion pounds of meat consumed in America in 1 year. You would think that with all that goes into the production of meat, we would consider a luxury. However, 20% of the meat produced goes to waste because it goes unused or unfinished. Videos like this can be overwhelming, often leaving the viewer with thoughts that the issues of the planet are larger than themselves. We often do not realize that as an individual, you can make a remarkable difference. So, after filling your minds with all of this information, we now offer an idea of change. Going 1 day a week without meat. Seems easy enough, right? The estimated amount of water saved if everyone in America did this for 1 day is 100 billion gallons. From this estimation, we divided it by the population of America and calculated the water saved if just one person went without meat for 1 day is 318.07 gallons. We took this and multiplied it by the 52 weeks in a year and found that if one person went vegetarian once a week, you would save 16,539.7 gallons of clean water. Then, we multiplied the single day amount by the Portland State student population, that is about 27,000. Taking the 318.07 gallons of water one person can save, and then multiplying that by the students of PSU, you get 8,587,922.481 gallons of water saved in 1 day, just by our school. If you multiply this number by 52 weeks in a year, we found that Portland State as a whole can save 446,571,969.003 gallons of water. Spitting all of these numbers in a row might cause the intensity of this situation to go over your head. To drive the point of this video, we compared it to the amount of water one uses in a shower. If a person takes a 7-minute shower every day in a shower with a low flow head of 2 gallons per minute, you use about 98 gallons of water per week. In 1 year, you use about 5,096 gallons of water to shower. While abstaining from meat 1 day a week for a year, you save about 16,539.7 gallons of clean water, the same amount of water you would save if you did not shower for 3 years and 3 months. This is our simple idea, friendly to everyone, going meatless 1 day a week. It is an easy and affordable way to reserve our planet's resources on a much larger scale than we realize. So, when you leave this class, spread the word and make Meatless Monday as popular as Taco Tuesday and Thirsty Thursday. Thank you.